Cozyla versus Skylight. Which one should you choose? We must first assess both of them. So Cozyla is a versatile smart display that shows calendars, tasks, weather, and more. Skylight is a sleek, simple digital calendar focused on ease of use. So when it comes to setup and ease of use, Cozyla offers more customization options with Google Calendar, smart home integrations, and widgets. Skylight is super easy to set up with basic Google Calendar and a minimalist interface. For the design, Cozyla is more colorful with customizable widgets, while Skylight is minimalist and modern, perfect for a sleek aesthetic. Now for the price. Cozyla costs more upfront, which ranges into $175 to $229, but includes more features. Skylight is cheaper, $159 to $189, but you'll need a subscription for extra features. So for our final verdict, I recommend to choose Cozyla if you want more features and customization, but I would also recommend to choose Skylight if you prefer simplicity and a clean and no-fuss interface. Both of them has their own unique uses and aesthetics. At the end of the day, it really matters to the person who will going to use the app. That's all. Thank you for watching.